In this video, we have a major warning for the whole crypto market, especially Bitcoin, altcoins, and of course, the different NFT tokens. So in this video, we're going to dive into different NFT tokens. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So right now we have a major warning for the Bitcoin price. So previously we have been mentioning that we are going to see one last pump to the upside before we form this possible bearish divergence, and ayun nga, it's starting to form exactly. So this is now a major warning kasi we all know that a bearish divergence is a signal for a trend reversal to the downside. So right now we have to be very cautious right now, or if somehow kung you are just trading for the very short term, it's now time to take your profits off kasi in cases like this is more likely going to lead to a movement to the downside, and that is not good for the whole crypto market kasi of course everything is dependent with the Bitcoin fundamentals. So this would mean that we might actually see Bitcoin get rejected by this area. But the question is, what will be our price target dito? Well, wala talagang definitive price target itong bearish divergence. But to give us an idea kung ano yung pwede maging target, we could actually check the 50 moving average. So right now, the 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is playing around the 46,700 US dollars. So 46.7k is a level to watch out for, especially yung current support natin dito. So yeah, I'll be buying off the dip if magkaroon tayo ng decline dito. But this is a good re-entry opportunity, guys. Always remember to buy the dip kasi once na mag-pump yung ating market, it will be a compounding profit once we are back bullish again dito sa ating crypto market. With that being said, we will dive into Bitcoin dominance after itong Bitcoin update, and of course, give you an update on different NFT tokens. So yeah, as you can see, this area is also the same area kung saan tayo nagkakaroon ng resistance. So you could clearly see na itong area na yun, oh, may resistance dyan. Previously, it was a support. So now, right now, we are acting this as a strong resistance. But yeah, as mentioned sa mga previous videos ko, I'm expecting more consolidation dito sa area na yan despite the golden cross kasi we could be actually replicating this area kung saan nagkaroon ng pretty much very long consolidation dito sa area na yan before we saw a movement to the upside. So very normal pa naman yung magkaroon tayo ng consolidation dito, and yeah, that's good. But for the short term, it's a major warning for the short term, especially if magkakaroon tayo ng pump sa ating Bitcoin dominance. And speaking of Bitcoin dominance, let's dive into the Bitcoin dominance chart. So right now, the Bitcoin dominance actually is bouncing off from this strong support. So this is not looking good kasi we all know, guys, in order for altcoins to pump, dapat the dominance is declining. However, the dominance right now is pumping, indicating na ang magiging malakas lang ngayon si Bitcoin at maiiwanan yung mga altcoins and iba't ibang coins dito sa crypto market. So right now, if patuloy-tuloy pa din ito mag-pump to the upside, then that would be bad for altcoins, especially NFT tokens kasi right now, diba, declining NFT tokens. If lalong umakit to, ibig sabihin nun, more investors are cashing out their money from NFT games, more investors are cashing out from their altcoins, and they are moving it back to Bitcoin. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng Bitcoin dominance. So, yeah, right now you need to be very cautious right now, and if you want to move into Bitcoin or let's say you want to secure some of your profits, I think now what you can do is start siguro partially moving some of your altcoins or some of your crypto into Bitcoin at least. So kahit paano, dapat meron kayo at least kahit konting portfolio kay Bitcoin. Kasi of course, if bigla nag-dump si Bitcoin, then of course, times 2 or mas masakit pa nga minsan yung mga dump ng altcoin. So, yeah, always remember na always have a partial Bitcoin in your portfolio for your security. So yeah, ito yung update natin for the Bitcoin dominance. So not looking good for the altcoins movement ngayon. And yeah, let's dive into different NFT tokens. So let's start first with SLP, as matagal na natin to fina-follow. And yeah, as lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi na sa SLP, kasi diba, ang dami ko nakikita dito na nagpa-pump na si SLP, baka tuloy-tuloy na yan. Remember, as what I keep on saying, we are only going to flip bullish with SLP if ma-break natin yung the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, hindi natin siya na-break. So, yeah, hindi pa rin tayo talaga nag-expect ng breakout dito for SLP. And then, as previously mentioned, this is a very swing tradable opportunity. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-oversold si SLP, this is a good buy long or buying opportunity for SLP. And then, once na mag-oversold siya, that is a good sell short opportunity for SLP. So, look at that, guys. nangyari siya exactly. Nag-oversold siya, so that was a good buying opportunity. So, ibig sabihin nun, that's a good buy area. And then, pag nag-above 70 tayo dito sa ating RSI threshold or 70 threshold, that is now a good selling opportunity. So, and guys, nangyari siya exactly as predicted. So, congratulations if you have been maximizing the strategy which I've been mentioning for the previous video. So, kita nyo guys, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, pwede nyo pa din siya talaga pagkakitaan in ways by using the RSI indicator. So, yeah. If you want to learn how to use that indicator RSI, I highly suggest that you check out this video na makita mo dyan sa card sa taas. Or you could actually check the Gabs Crypto 101 playlist in the description down below. But yeah, so ayan, nakikita nyo na pwede nyo siya actually swing trade. So right now, SLP might actually still go down after nitong movement. Kasi nakuha na natin yung pump. So yeah, I think pwede tayo mag-consolidate tayo dito further. Since wala tayong further data na nagsasabi kung ano pa meron sa baba. But right now, we can still go lower kasi kakatapos lang natin mag-pump. And look at this. Look at the RSI guys. Kasi si RSI ngayon is nasa gitna pa siya and wala pa siya sa 30 threshold. Ito oh. Ibig sabihin, ito guys. Ibig sabihin, pwede pa siya mag-drop lower to this 30 threshold and then saka tayo ulit makita ng pump for SLP. And yeah, it's very normal kasi if you're going to look at that, nakuha na natin yung pattern and behavior on the previous price actions, 'di ba? Makita mo na. Nagkakaroon din siya ng bounces from the oversold area and overbought area. So yeah, it's pretty good na i-maximize nyo tong mga area na yun if gusto nyo talaga pagkakitaan si SLP. So yun yung update natin for SLP. So of course, if let's say lalong tumaas sa Bitcoin dominance, then of course, bababa pa din lalo si SLP. Now, let's talk about CryptoBlade skill token. So, you can actually right now see na skill token is actually testing this 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, right now, this is a pretty crucial area right now kasi in order to flip bullish for CryptoBlade or skill, kailangan natin ma-break itong area na yan. So, kailangan natin magkaroon ng 4-hour candle close above in order to see na tuloy-tuloy tayo for skill token. However, ang problem nga lang natin dito is yun nga, dominance is pag tumaas pa lalo si dominance, then possible na mag-decline to at ma-reject ng ating 100 moving average. So right now, you need to monitor closely this 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame kay CryptoBlade skill in order to understand kung mag-bullish ba tayo o mag-bearish. Kasi right now, this is not looking good if hindi natin ma-break itong 100 moving average. Looking at the RSI, hindi tayo overbought nor oversold, so possible na pwede tayong mag-decline dyan or consolidate pa further. But yeah, right now, there's no buying or selling opportunity. Let's look at this in the early time frame. In the early time frame, wala tayong update dito since you can see na hindi din siya overbought nor oversold. So, it will more likely consolidate pa further, not unless ma-reject tayo ng ating 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Now, let's look at DPET naman kasi tagal na din natin hindi nabigyan ng update si DPET. So, as you can clearly see, DPET actually declined really bad dito. But we actually went oversold. Ito oh, nag-oversold tayo dito. So, this would mean na somehow magkakaroon tayo ng somewhat of a small bounce dito. So, possible na magkaroon tayo ng konting bounce or mag-pump tayo for the short term para bumalik tayo sa ating 100 moving average and then dito natin malalaman kung tutuloy ba tayo sa pag-ating decline or mabibreak niya to. But right now, DPET is currently declining and nag-oversold, so that's a good buying opportunity. And yeah, I think let's look at this in the early time frame para makita natin yung movement. Tapos na pala yung buying and selling opportunity kasi nag 70 threshold na pala and nag 30 threshold na. So, indicating na this is a good buying opportunity and this is a good selling opportunity. So, nakikita nyo guys, diba, yung ating pwedeng gawin dito sa mga swing tradable opportunities sa mga iba't ibang token. You can actually buy when it's below 30 and then sell when we go above the 70 threshold dito sa RSI. So, right now, I think pwede tayo mag-consolidate pa dito further kay DPET kasi hindi siya overbought nor oversold. So, you could actually make the case na consolidate muna tayo dito. If you're going to look in the 4-hour time frame, medyo pwede tayo mag-consolidate pa dito further. But the 4-hour time frame is suggesting na pwede pa tayo actually mag-bounce off pa higher for the short term, indicating na possible na umakit tayo up until siguro $3.4 dito kay DPET. Ano lang siya, swing tradable opportunity and market psychology lang siya. So yeah, I think that's a good opportunity for DPET if you are just trading this for the short term. And ayun guys, may gusto din ako sa inyo pakita na ang laki ng tinataas. So, kung yari meron ka mga DPET, meron ka mga skill, CryptoBlade skill, and gusto nyo pa din pagkakitaan yung mga ganun token, you can actually trade them here in MEXC kasi MEXC is the best place to trade different NFT tokens. So, if you want to trade different NFT tokens, I highly suggest na you try out MEXC. And yeah, if you want to get discounts from your trading fees dito sa MEXC, just use my sign up link in the description down below. And yeah, let's say dito na yung pera nyo sa MEXC, you can actually see yung kanilang native token which is MX. MEXC token has been up pretty significantly high kasi look at this. Ever since nung previous dip ni Bitcoin, umakyat si MEXC for around roughly 340%. So kita nyo guys, ang laki ng tinataas niya. That's actually very good for a trading platform kung tutuusin. So right now, I think maganda mag-invest dito sa ating MEXC platform. And yeah, look at this guys. Right now, nag-overbought kasi dito tayo kay MEXC. So ito, overbought siya. So possible na mag-decline tayo muna for the short term. So we could actually say na we are going to get some pullback from this 20. So actually, nag-pullback na tayo to the 20 moving average, but I think we can pull back to the 50 moving average. That would be a better opportunity for our re-entry. And yeah, look at this guys. I think we are also forming a bearish divergence. And a bearish divergence is an increasing price. So ayan, increasing price, pero yung RSI natin is currently declining, indicating na magkakaroon tayo ng trend reversal to the downside. In that case, that would be a good buying opportunity dito for MX token. And yeah, I might buy MX token dito ulit. Kasi ako meron ako personally na MX token dito sa MEXC. And yeah, ang laki ng tinataas niya actually. So if you want to trade MX token or gusto niyo pagkakitaan pa inyong mga NFT tokens, you can actually trade MX token dito sa ating MEXC platform. And yeah, just use my sign up link in the description down below to get discount from your trading fees. So ayun guys, yun muna yung update natin for today. And abang-abang kayo, mamaya meron din tayo actually features tutorial dito sa ating YouTube channel. So abangan nyo siya mamayang 6 PM. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.